I know so many of you out there love to use bleach when you clean. So I'm going to show you today how to make your own bleach for cleaning, and it's going to be safe and natural too. Now the first thing you need is hydrogen peroxide, and what I have here is an empty bottle from hydrogen peroxide, and the reason I'm using that is because hydrogen peroxide is broken down by light. So when I'm mixing my bleach, I'm going to mix it in a dark bottle. So this is a recycled peroxide bottle, and it already has 2 cups of peroxide in it. To that, I'm going to simply add 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, if you don't have fresh lemons, feel free to use lemon juice from the grocery store. That's absolutely fine, but there's nothing like the smell of a fresh lemon. Now, when you're ready to clean, simply give this a shake, pour some onto a cloth, and go ahead and use it. But remember now, this is only for cleaning. It's way too strong for your laundry. So you're going to get a great cleaner that's safe and natural, costs pennies to make. There's no downside. Get ready, make your own cleaning bleach. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.